Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Public Institute Tuitions online classes. Students, this is your maths class, and we are doing chapter 6, and the chapter name is LCM and LCM. So, students, in the previous class, we finished exercise 6A. Okay? So, today we will start the next exercise 6B, based on prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Okay? So, as we know, what are prime numbers? Students, what are prime numbers? The numbers which cannot be broken into factors. The numbers which cannot be broken into factors. And are called prime numbers. And what are co-prime numbers? A pair of two numbers which have no common factor. A pair of two numbers which have no common factor other than one are called co-prime numbers. So, if a number 4, 6, this is a pair of two numbers. This is the pair of two numbers. Is this a co-prime number? Is this a co-prime number? The co-prime numbers are which have no common factor. The two numbers which have no common factor. Okay. The factor of 4 and the factor of 6. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Common factor is 2. So this is not a co-prime number. Okay. This is not a co-prime number. So 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. This is a co-prime number because the factor of 2 and the factor of 3. Okay. The factor of 2 and the factor of 3. There are no common factor between these two factors. So this is a co-prime number. Okay. Understood? And the only one condition for two numbers to be co-prime is that there is not even a single number. There is not even a single number other than 1 which can divide both of them. Okay? Which can divide both of them. So, now we start our exercise 6B. Okay? What is the smallest prime number? Students, what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. Write two prime number whose difference is 1. The two prime numbers whose difference is 1. 2 comma 3. 2, 3, 5, 7. These are prime numbers. So the two prime numbers whose difference is 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the whose difference is 1. The two prime numbers are 2 comma 3. Understood? The two prime numbers are 2 comma 3. Whose difference is 1. Next, question number 3. Which of these are prime? Which of these are prime means the prime numbers which cannot be broken into factors. Which cannot be broken into factors are called prime numbers. So next, which of these are prime? Okay, we have the numbers 7, 107, 207, 307, 407 and 507. These are the numbers. So we have to find this number is prime or this number is not prime. So 7 is a prime number as we know because it cannot be broken into factors. 107 is also cannot be broken into factors. So this is the prime number. 207 is broken into the factor because it divided from 3. This is the 18, 3 9s are 27. Understood? It's divided by 3. So this is not a prime number. 307. 307 is a prime number because this cannot be divided into factors. 407 is also divided and 507 is also divided. Okay, so 7, 107 and 3, 707 is these are prime numbers. Okay, next, write all composite number between 90 and 100. Write all composite numbers between 90 and 100. So, what are the composite number? So, as we know, the composite numbers which can be expressed as product of factors other than 1 and itself are known as composite number. So, the composite number between 90 and 100. Between 90 and 100. The composite number between 90 and 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 98 and 99 and 99. 97 is not a composite number. Understood? These all these numbers are composite numbers. Composite number. Understood? Next, how many even prime numbers are there? Students, the most important question, the prime number is started from 2, okay, and the only one even prime number is also 2. The only one even prime number is 2. Okay, the only one even prime number is 2. Left 2, all the numbers are all prime number. Okay, understood? So next, question number 6. Can a composite number be odd? If yes, write the smallest odd composite number. Yes, odd number can be composite number. Odd number can be composite number, and the only one and the smallest odd number, odd composite number, the smallest odd composite number is equal to 9. The only one is, the smallest odd composite number is 9. Understood? Question number 7. Write the following numbers as the sum of two prime numbers. Write the following numbers as the sum of the prime numbers. Okay. These are the numbers which are prime or co-prime numbers, and we have to write the numbers in the form of sum of two prime numbers. Sum of two prime numbers. So the 3 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So the sum of 3 and 7 is 10. Sum of 3 and 7 is 10. The sum of the two prime numbers is 10. Next, 18. Next number is 18. 13 plus 5. 13 is a prime number and 5 is also prime number. So the addition of 13 and 5 is 18. The addition of two prime numbers is 18. Okay. Next, 21. 13 plus 7. 13 is a prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So the addition of two prime numbers is also 21. Next, 86. 86. 83 plus 3. The addition of two prime numbers is also
3. 45. Question number E and question number F. You have to do yourself. Okay. Both two questions. Do yourself. Next. Write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Means the two numbers which have no common factor. We have to write 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Okay. So 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, and 3 comma 7. These are the 3 pairs of co-prime numbers. Means these two numbers have no common factor. These two numbers have no common factor. So these are co-prime numbers. Next one is express each of the following numbers as the sum of twin primes. Sum of twin primes. What are twin primes? Two prime numbers which differ by 2 are called twin primes. Means the two prime numbers which difference is 2. Okay, are called twin prime numbers. So question number 9. Sorry, question number 9. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of twin primes. Okay. Question number 9, part A. 36. Okay. 70 plus 90. This is the pair of twin primes because these are two prime numbers with the difference of 2. So these numbers are called twin prime numbers. Okay. And the addition of 17 plus 19 is equal to 36. Okay. Part B. 84. 41 plus 43. The addition of 41 and 43 is 84, and these are the pairs of twin primes because the difference of both prime numbers is 2. The difference of the prime numbers is 2. 43 minus 41 is equal to 2. Question number C and D. These questions do yourself. Okay. Next. Question number 10. Which of the following pairs are co-prime? Which are the following pairs are co-prime? Okay. So the co-prime numbers, the pair of two numbers which have no common factor. So we have to find the pair of co-prime factors. Part A. 49 and 81. 49 and 81. So first we have to find the factor of 49 and the factor of 81. If the factor of 49 and if the factor of 81, there are any one common factor, then we can say that this is not a common, this is not a co-prime number. Okay. So you have to do question number 10. Students, your exercise 6B is finished. In our next class, we will start from exercise 6C based on divisibility rules. Okay, divisibility rules. So it's enough for today. And now write down the homework. The homework is complete exercise 6B. Complete exercise 6B. Okay, thank you.